Hey guys, today you will be watching the cleaning process of two different phones. Yes, you heard me right, two different phones. Firstly, we'll be starting out with the iPhone, and then we're going to be doing the Samsung Galaxy Express SGH i437Z. I have a pretty dirty charging port here, so what you're going to do, if you have a toothpick or any slant wooden object, pick out all the lint and dust gently. Now what you're going to do if you want to clean the screen is first put it in water and then wipe it off. Good thing I was wearing a case on this. God! Chicken and macaroni, chicken ring, chicken and macaroni. And as you can see, now that you guys clean the screen, what you're going to do is start with the back now. Since the back on mine's very dirty, what you're going to do is soak it in water. Make sure to not reach the motherboard. So now what you're going to do is put soap on it. You're going to need a lot. Rub it on the iPhone's back cover, the back aluminum cover. Rub enough so it looks clean and shiny. Now wash it all off. And then dry it off. Now some got to the screen, so I'm just going to cut to that part. Or cut to the chase here. Just dry it off. Make sure your iPhone is waterproof. Mine's waterproof, so it's fine. It's like it's the iPhone 6 Plus, but it's broken, so it doesn't really matter. Like it's the motherboard, and I don't plan on fixing it, so yeah. And as you can see, guys, the front and the back has been cleaned. So now you can use your iPhone happily without, well, getting it dirty. I also like how the camera shines there. It's really nice and pretty. Anyways, next phone. We're going to be doing the Samsung Galaxy Express. So, well, you're going to take out the battery just for safety measures. To clean the screen, only get some toilet paper or tissue. Fold it up. Make it kind of damp, so, alright, it's damp enough. Now what you're going to do is rub the screen. So, gotta rub the screen. Alright, now what you're going to do is dry the screen. And as you can see, guys, that's the screen. By the way, now what we're going to do is you're going to need the back. Or the back case. So what you're going to do, put some soap on the back case, like not even some, just a lot of soap on the back case. Now what you're going to do is rub the soap on it together. Make sure you get it in the part where it actually covers the phone too. So you're gonna. Now rinse it off. Now dry it off. Is this still recording? I can't tell because I'm using the back camera, but. Oops. Now with all that aggressive cleaning of the back cover out of the way, put the battery back in safely and